We're doing it on Omega. Episode 403, part 1. I actually pulled off the Hip Hoshinigan high rate draw combo. Here we go, DRYTRON versus Cyber Dragon. Got Nova here. I was gonna link this off for Karibo and then do Zeta and Alpha, but I could just tribute him. Tribute Zeta, Alpha, Ben 10. Now I could have got Nibiru here for sure. This combo is not Nibiru proof. Unless you have Crossout Designator and Nibiru in the deck. Zeta, tribute Ben 10. Add Medium Stretron. Ben 10. Add Diviner of Herald. I usually go for the Diviner instead of the Fafnir. Just in case I get Impermed or Effect Veiler. Normal Summon Diviner, activate effect. Send Herald of Arclight from the extra deck. Herald of Arclight, add Herald of Ultimateness. Overlay for Fafnir, Fafnir effect, dump Gamma. Medium Stratron. Attach from Fafnir for Ben 10. Overlay for Beatrice. Beatrice effect. Detach Diviner of Herald, send Eva. Eva. Banish those two to get those two. Gamma, tribute, ultimateness. Special summon Alpha from grave. Medium Stratron, decrease attack by 1000. Add back from grave. Activate Medium Stratron. Attach from Fafnir. Ultimateness from the grave. 2 light monsters, Hip Hoshinigan. And I did have the high rate draw. I drew it. I opened with it. You could actually it still would work. Setting the high rate draw. Ending my turn. Wait a minute here. Yeah, I could have went to a Dragoon here. I could have went to a Dragoon. What am I doing? After this combo, you go into a Dragoon. I'll have more fairies in there. And then activate this. So it would be pop. Verte effect. Dragoon. Yeah, I could have ended off with a Dragoon. I could have had way more negates. Beatrice. Send Ben 10. So those two, that would have popped. If I had Verte, it would have popped Hip Hoshinigan and Verte. Draw 2 cards. Beatrice, send Delta. Hip Hoshinigan. This card is destroyed by battle card effect. You can target 1 light monster in your graveyard, add it to your hand. Well, Eva is a light, so I'm getting Eva back. Yeah, I could have ended off with a Dragoon here. And then I main phase popped Beatrice to set. That was a misplay in my behalf. And I just negated the crap out of him here. Let's see, Cyber Dark Realm. I think he's using new Cyber Dark. Negated. Eva. Discard. Banish. Those two. Or those two. Got 1, 2, 5. Core. And negate. Send. Repair plant, negate, and he scooped the whole entire thing. There was no game 2. He just left. Does he have a deck? Let's check it out here. 403. He does. Oops, 403. We were at 1162, 1180. 403, where are you? Right there. Yeah, here we go. 45 cards. Two Ash. Forbidden Challenge. Rivalry of Warlords. 3 strikes. No side deck. What? 259. Come on. Still at 259. Comment, share, like if you subbed, if you liked it. See you guys.